Hi, this is Aidan. Welcome to this guided practice in progressive muscle relaxation, grounded in the original work of Dr. Edmund Jacobson. In this session, you'll learn to bring gentle awareness to your body, releasing unnecessary tension and allowing calm to arise naturally. There's nothing to do and nothing to fix. Relaxation isn't something you achieve. It's what happens when you stop trying. Let's begin. Start by settling into a comfortable position. You may be lying down or sitting. Choose what feels most supportive. Let your arms rest by your sides. Let your legs be comfortably supported. Begin by noticing your breath. No need to change it, just observe. With each exhale, allow your body to release a little more. Let your shoulders drop. Let your jaw soften. And now, as you settle in, I want to share something important. Many people believe that relaxation means working hard to calm down. But in truth, real relaxation is the absence of effort, not the presence of control. In this practice, you won't be straining or forcing your muscles. You'll use only mild, deliberate tension, just enough to notice the contrast between effort and ease. This contrast is what trains your awareness. After each release, you'll pause to observe, noticing any subtle tension that remains and gently letting it go. Let's begin with your hands. Gently curl your fingers inward, not a fist, just a soft engagement. Hold that tiny bit of effort. And now, let go. Let your hands uncurl. Pause here. Bring all of your awareness into your hands and forearms. Can you detect any remaining tension? A trace of tightness in the palms, or the wrists, or the forearms? If you notice anything, just allow it to soften. Let it melt, as if warmth is spreading through your hands. Now, gently bend your elbows and bring a slight tension into your biceps, just enough to feel engagement. Hold that tension and release. Let the arms settle. Pause and observe. What does it feel like as the muscles rest? Notice the contrast, the quiet after the effort. Let gravity draw the arms downward. Let go completely. Now lift your eyebrows very slightly, just enough to notice tension in your forehead. Hold and release. Let the forehead smooth completely. Now gently clench your jaw, lightly, no more than necessary, and release. Let the jaw hang softly. Take your time now. Notice the small sensations in your face, the muscles around your eyes, your cheeks, your tongue. Invite all of it to soften. Gently raise your shoulders, just a little. Not a full shrug, just enough to become aware of the effort. Hold for a few seconds and let them fall. Let them be pulled down naturally. Pause here. Feel into your shoulders, neck, and upper back. Are you holding anything there, even subtly? With each exhale, release a little more. Let go of whatever is no longer needed. Take in a gentle breath and lightly engage the chest. Not forcefully, just enough to notice a stretch. Hold the breath a moment and exhale slowly. Now bring a soft engagement to your stomach, just a slight tension. Hold and release. Rest here. Notice how the breath moves freely now. Let your belly rise and fall without effort. Allow stillness to grow. Now, gently press your thighs together or contract the muscles very slightly, just enough to sense the activation. Hold and release. Let the weight of your legs drop down. Now, curl your toes or flex your feet lightly. Hold the tension just a moment and release. Let the ankles soften, the feet grow heavy. Now, take a few deep, easy breaths. Bring your awareness to your entire body, from the top of your head to the tips of your toes. Slowly scan downward. Gently, patiently. Notice if there are any pockets of tension still lingering. You're not trying to fix them, just acknowledging they're there. As you breathe out, imagine warmth flowing into those places. Let the muscles unwind. let the stillness spread. You might begin to notice a heaviness, or a sense of lightness, or perhaps just quiet. Whatever you feel, allow it. That's enough. Each time you practice this, you increase your ability to recognize early signs of tension and relax even further. You develop the skill of letting go, not by effort, but by awareness. You are teaching your body that it's safe to rest, that relaxation is not something you achieve, it's what returns when you stop holding. Now, whenever you're ready, begin to return and look forward into the rest of your day, the rest of your life.